He's just out of me, no worries. Yeah, he's
oh my gosh! Bro!
With one click of a button, I not only clip the past 30 seconds of my stream, but it's also over double the quality. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you should clip your stream the right way, and also how to quickly toss it up into an editor and post it on social media so you can grow your stream. I'm Scarfer Plays, and I'm so close to 10,000 subscribers, so make sure if you're not subscribed already, well, you know what to do. If you want your clips to look good, you might want to check out a brand new OBS Studios plugin brought to you by the sponsor of today's video, Own.pro. It allows you to choose over 550 different alerts and overlays for your stream, and all with the click of a button. It's all integrated with OBS Studios, so you can choose whichever overlay you want at whatever time you want. And another thing that's really cool is they are going to be adding a Twitch chatbot and other features like Twitch panels and copyright-free music directly into your OBS Studios. So if you want to check this out and make your OBS Studios turn into an even better version with Own.pro, make sure you click the link in my description to get yours today. The way that I clip my streams at really high quality is actually super simple. All you have to do is go to settings of whichever stream service you are using. It works both in OBS and Streamlabs OBS. Go over to output, make sure your output mode is on advanced, go to replay buffer, enable the replay buffer, and then select the amount of time you want to clip. So if you want to clip the past 30 seconds of your stream, type that in right here. Just keep in mind, clipping a longer portion of your stream will require more RAM usage. Now you're going to want to hit apply, and in the bottom right, a start replay buffer button should pop up. But you don't want to have to click that every time you want to clip something. So go down to hotkeys and go to replay buffer and put anything you want to press on your keyboard right here. So if I put 1 on my keyboard, whenever I click that button, it will save the past 30 seconds of my stream as long as the replay buffer has been started. But if you don't want to remember to click this button every single time you want to clip, all you have to do is go to General and press automatically start replay buffer when streaming. That way, every time you stream, it will automatically start a replay buffer. So all you have to do is when you hit a great clip, press that number on your keyboard and it will clip the past amount of time that you have set it to your PC. If you want your replay to be at way better quality than your stream, all you have to do is go down to your video and make sure your output scaled resolution is whatever you want your replay to be. And then in output, make sure you go to streaming and rescale your output to maybe 1280 by 720 or 1600 by 900. That's what I stream at. And then the bitrate is obviously 6000 because that's the maximum. However, for your replay buffer, what you can do is go over to recording and then change the settings here, and that will be the same for your replay buffer. So my replay buffer is currently 1920 by 1080 at 12,000 bitrate, even though I'm only streaming at 900p with a 6,000 bitrate. Now whenever you hit an amazing shot or have a funny gameplay moment or something like that, all you have to do is click one button and it will clip the past amount of time to your PC. But now you have to edit those videos up and post them to social media to not only grow an audience and hopefully grow your stream, but also keep the people that do come to your stream entertained so that they keep coming back. Okay, so real quickly, I'm gonna put these videos into my editor, and now these are just simple Instagram and Twitter posts, so I don't want to take too long on them. What you should be focusing on is growing on YouTube or maybe even TikTok and just make a ton of funny videos. But you want to put more effort into those. But these are just clips that you want to edit nicely, but you don't want to just like spend hours and hours on them. So I'm going to take these 4 clips that I have and I'm just going to throw them real quick into the editor. It can be whatever editor you want. I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro, but you can use whatever you want. And I'm just going to trim up these clips because I clipped the past minute. So I'm going to clip them down to the parts that I actually want to use in this video. Once you have cut up the videos just how you want them, the next thing is adding some music. It just creates a nice flow. And what you want to do is go over to YouTube and find any song that you want. I'd recommend not copyright. So look up like no copyright sounds or something because they got a ton of music. And then click the link or copy the link, paste it into here, and then you can convert it to a sound file, which then you can add to your Premiere Pro or whatever video software you're using. Now you might want to adjust the volume of the music, of course, to make sure it's not too loud, but you always want to add just a little bit of background music to keep the flow of everything moving. The next thing you can quickly do is just to zoom in on your face a lot whenever you get a nice kill and you're reacting to it. For example, right here, I didn't have much to say. All I said after I killed this person in Fortnite was bro.
Bro?
But what I can do is I can turn this into a bro, which zooms right up onto my face like this.
Bro? Bro?
And then I can also add text to it. So if I do Control T in Premiere Pro, or for example, if you're using a different software, it's probably something different, but it'll be very simple to add text and just cut up a video like this. Any video software can do what I'm doing here. Nothing too fancy right now. And then the finished result right here,
Bro?
it's just some text to zoom in. It just keeps the people interested in the video instead of just a couple of clips side by side, because anyone can do that. And basically the whole goal of putting it into an editor real quick is just to make sure that your clips are a little bit special, a little bit more quality, so that people will be engaged in your clips instead of others. And then at the end of my videos, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and add a little bit of a blank image or something like this. And then it will actually say twitch.tv/ScarForPlays to let people know that I'm streaming on Twitch. And the finished result will look something like this.
Bro?
This guy's so lit. Knocked one. Cracked the other.
You actually killed them both.
Dead.
Are you
Dead!
kidding me?
Let's go! No scopes. Oh my gosh, I hit! Oh my gosh, I actually hit that! Let's go! Baby! Now, once you have your mini montage or clips that you are ready to post on social media, make sure that you do not post them right away. The best time to post your Twitch clips is right before you are about to start streaming. I know it's tough because you just edited this all and you want to post it, but wait the next day until right before you're streaming so that when everyone sees you on social media, no matter if that's 2 or 200 people, they see that right before you start streaming, so that if they explore a little further, they'll see that you're live on Twitch. And that is the best time to post your clips. I don't know a single streamer that doesn't love clipping their streams and posting them on social media, so make sure you put in the time to make sure your clips are good quality and edit it up a little bit so that you can successfully grow your stream. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you leave a sub on YouTube, a follow on Twitch, a like on this video, and all that fancy schmancy stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next one.